welcome to our channel where we explore some of the most fascinating destinations around the world. Today we're taking you on a journey to one of the most iconic and mysterious destinations in the world's Machu Picchu. This ancient Inca citadel located high in the Andes Mountains of Peru has fascinated people for centuries. In this video, we'll dive deep into the history and mystery of Machu Picchu and uncover some of the secrets of this lost city. To truly understand Machu Picchu, we need to understand the history of the Incas. The Incas were a powerful and advanced civilization that existed in the Andean region of South America from the 12th century until the Spanish conquest in the 16th century. The Inca Empire was the largest empire in pre-Columbian America, and at its peak, it covered an area of over 2,500 miles, from modern-day Ecuador to Chile. The Incas were known for their advanced engineering skills, their impressive agricultural methods, and their religious beliefs. Machu Picchu was rediscovered in 1911 by American explorer Hiram Bingham, but it is believed to have been built by the Incas in the 15th century. The site was largely abandoned by the time the Spanish arrived in Peru in the 16th century, and so it was largely forgotten by the outside world. However, the site was known to locals and was even visited by other explorers before Bingham. But it was Bingham who brought the site to the attention of the world, and he spent several years excavating and studying the ruins. The design of Machu Picchu is one of the most fascinating aspects of this ancient citadel. The Incas were master architects and engineers, and they used a combination of stone, mud, and straw to construct their buildings. The design of Machu Picchu is also unique because it was built on a steep hillside, and the builders had to adapt their construction techniques to the challenging terrain. The buildings at Machu Picchu were also built to withstand earthquakes, which is a common occurrence in this region. Despite decades of research, there are still many mysteries surrounding Machu Picchu. One of the most intriguing is the purpose of the site. While it is known to have been a religious center, it is unclear what other functions it served. Some believe that it was a royal retreat, while others speculate that it was a military outpost. Another mystery is how the Incas were able to transport the massive stones used in the construction of the site. Some of these stones weigh as much as 50 tons, and it is unclear how the builders were able to move them to the site. Today, Machu Picchu is one of the most visited tourist destinations in the world. It has become a symbol of Peru and a testament to the ingenuity and skill of the Inca civilization. Machu Picchu is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it is protected by the Peruvian government. However, the site faces many challenges, including the effects of tourism, climate change, and the ongoing preservation of the ruins. The best time to visit Machu Picchu is during the dry season, which typically runs from May to September. During this time, the weather is generally mild and sunny, and there is less chance of rain. This makes it easier to explore the ruins and hike to nearby attractions such as Huayna Picchu or the Inca Trail. However, keep in mind that this is also the peak tourist season, so the site can be crowded and prices for accommodations and tours can be higher. If you prefer fewer crowds and lower prices, you may want to consider visiting during the shoulder seasons of April or October, when the weather is still relatively dry but there are fewer tourists. Machu Picchu is truly one of the most fascinating destinations in the world. Its history, architecture, and mysteries continue to captivate people from all over the world. As we continue to learn more about this ancient citadel, we can only hope that we can preserve it for future generations to appreciate and marvel at. It's a reminder of the ingenuity and skill of ancient civilizations and the power of human innovation. Thank you for watching our video about Machu Picchu. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating travel content. And if you've ever visited Machu Picchu, we'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, happy travels.